Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And that is an 8 by 8 by 2 inch deep canvas. And I just zoomed in without focusing, so I'm going to try and focus. And I have some Meaden acrylic white paint that's listed on my Amazon link. And I am thinking that I would like to use it in a bloom-esque way. I'm going to put enough paint. I have put black paint around my edges. I realize if I don't use enough paint, I'm going to have to swipe out over all those spots. So I'm going to give myself a little bit more. And then I'm going to use my favorite hot orchid. Some 24 karat Deco-Art Americana gold, a little orange gold, some of my Venetian blue from Modern Masters, some Arteza purple metallic, which is probably called a lilac, some Chrysocolla, Prism Pour from Color Art. And I'm going to try a little swiping. With a palette knife. Might be the shortest video ever. Just going to scrape my palette knife right off on my edge. Pushing it back. Maybe even scraping it off again. I think I could have used some black. I do not think it will matter if I pull through a few more times. Definitely would have liked some black. Not sure how this is going to go. But I'm willing to give it a shot. Even at the risk of losing what I had, which was pretty cool. Because I got to know. Well, I don't think adding the black afterwards was a good idea. But I don't give up easily. I think one of my cottage cheese lids is going to be the perfect home for some paint in a second. The lost video. Never seen again. I think I gotta get some paint off my hands. And then I have to decide what I want. If anything. I kind of want to keep playing and experimenting. Because I can, sort of thing. That's not going to come out, is it? No, it's not. Well, I've got some Prussian blue and it will come out. My theory is, as long as I have the mead and paint in there, I have a shot. Like making and keeping some cells. Unless I drag the straw right down to canvas. That's pretty cool. I'm not unhappy with that a bit. It's not where I was going to begin with, but I don't think it really matters. Really curious to see what a basting brush will do to this. Let's just keep following our instincts. I really love what happened with the Prussian blue.
Huh?
But I haven't figured out where to put more of it yet.
Oh.
As opposed to the black. But I like that. I think I'm going to put some right in that gold. And hope I can get away with it. Maybe. I'll just blend it a little bit with a skewer. And see what will pop back up through. We want more of that chrysocolla. I'm actually really enjoying playing with this. So that's pretty different. I want some more of my Venetian blue. I could just leave it right like that too. Take the straw without the spit. Please. Try the other one. I'm thinking I can do some peacock feathers with this stuff at some point in time. We'll see what happens. I'd like to do some spirals. I have a feeling it's going to react very well to the basting brush when I finally get around to using it. I want some blue. That's not open, of course. Yeah, I know, that was kind of a bad application, but it worked, so I'm not complaining. And I could probably put a little bit more Prussian blue in there if I wanted to. That needs to be open next time I get a chance. Almost knocked a bottle over. There, I kind of like that. I like to blend these edges in a little bit. Not sure about that cell right there. Oh, I just destroyed a purple heart. Oh no! I'd like the hot orchid to be the same on both sides. I don't know why. Something about symmetry. I can tell you now this is going to be a painting that gets hung on the diagonal by whoever decides to purchase it. I do sell my artwork, and you can find my email address to contact me right underneath the link tree, underneath the video. Yeah, I'm liking the spirals. They're not bothering me at all. The Prussian blue is sinking a little bit, but it still shows enough to be a good thing. A few more spirals and I'll be calling it good. Don't forget to twist the center of your skewer when you're done with your spiral. If in doubt, spiral it out. Pretty colors. Always use pretty colors. Alright, my edges are mostly covered. I can probably do some camo work with some of those. I had my attempt. I'm probably gonna make sure there's no outstanding marks that make me crazy. Anything that draws my eye, like those hard lines right there, I usually try and blend them in. I could have a little more of that pink go right up toward the center if I wanted to. But I love you guys. There's over 91,600 and some odd, going on 91,700. Just can't stop spiraling. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to turn this around to you. Get rid of that last hard line over there. In for penny, in for pound. Might as well spiral them out until I'm really satisfied. I do want some more pink right up the middle. Not sure about that white spot in the center though. Probably should have made it gold. It'll be fine. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out over 1,800 videos on my playlists. I can't line that up and let you have a close-up. I can't get any closer because it's too small. Alright, I'm just going back where I was. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in joining the monthly drawing, Anybody who donates through PayPal or Patreon is automatically included. You can see the prizes on the end screen exhibition video that's new every month, and new batch of prizes too. Thank you all for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you, where my 2 books are, and all kinds of other cool stuff. Really helps me out a lot when you shop there. My 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Under the link tree, you're going to find Facebook groups, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, and on my YouTube channel banner, you're going to find a PayPal and PayPal and Patreon icons on the bottom right hand corner, and also links on the link tree. My email address is below the link tree if you're interested in contacting me in regard to purchasing an artwork or securing a time for a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. That's the place to go. Please like my videos. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate it. I would love it if you would share them and watch them longer, and if you watch when notifications come out. All those things are a big assistance to me. Commercials, watching commercials, even 30 seconds of them, is also a huge assistance. So I'm not going to call that the perfect success, but I probably learned a few things and I enjoyed myself, and I was glad you guys were here to join me. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, wondering if I forgot to tell you about the 1800 videos on my playlists, or the Teespring clothing, all over print leggings and t-shirts underneath the video. You'll figure it out, I'm sure. Welcome if you're newly subscribed, and thank you for being here if you've been here a while. Bye for now. Phew! I'll see you anon.